everyone, today we are going to review a new motherboard, Asrock B450 Pro4 motherboard. Full ATX motherboard. It's compatible with Ryzen 3 processor. It has heatsink and M.2 slots, 2 PCIe slots for graphic cards. The board has 6 SATA ports, 4 slots for RAM, support up to 64 GB. RGB lighting. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Like and subscribe.